Well, we want to do long-term monitoring so we can see changes over time in the terrestrial arthropod fauna. So we'll set up traps to collect, say, like bark beetles and cerambicids and bupressids, things that attack trees. It's a long set of funnels that imitates a tree trunk, and the insects will fly toward the tree trunk, and they'll fall down the funnels into a collecting bin. We'd like to do some what are called bucket traps. They have a little light on them, and moths go in there, and then they fall down into the bucket, a similar thing with a funnel that traps them. We would do pitfall trapping, which is basically like a cup that's set into the ground so that the top of the cup is even with the ground, has a little roof over it to keep the water out. And if any spiders or insects come walking along, they fall into that trap. This will stay at 95%. And then the most common one we'll also set up is a malaise trap, which it's for insects that go into things and then climb up. And it's like a screen tent with a collecting jar at the top, and they climb up until they get to the jar and fall in. The idea of the long-term monitoring sites would be we would monitor them continuously, maybe every couple months over the terms of the 3-year project, and then we would establish them and make it so that people could know where they are, and then in 10 years, 20 years, 50 years from now, people could go back and they could resample the same way we sampled with the same protocol, and they could see how much things have changed.